Hey guys, in this 2025 breakdown, we're comparing Apollo.io versus Instantly.ai. One's all about data power, the other's built for cold email skill. Apollo.io offers a massive B2B database, rich company info, and deep prospect intelligence. Perfect if your priority is finding high quality leads. It also has built in engagement. You can run email sequences, calls, and tasks from the same platform. On the other hand, Instantly.ai is laser focused on outreach. It offers unlimited email accounts, automatic warm-up, and strong deliverability tools, all for a flat monthly rate. Its lead finder taps a 160 million plus contact database with filters and enrichment to fuel campaigns. Pricing wise, Instantly's plans are very predictable. Growth starts at $37 per month with unlimited accounts and warm-up. Apollo's pricing, meanwhile, is more seat plus credits, so it can scale up depending on how much data outreach you use. In short, Apollo.io reach data outreach in one. Instantly.ai called email machine. Which one fits your growth strategy better? If this helped you decide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 lead gen breakdowns.